Today we are going to solve the NYT Sudoku hard puzzle from 8th of August 2026, the easy way. I already took a screenshot of this puzzle and I will import it in Sudoku Coach interface. Why? Because Sudoku Coach interface has highlighted notes, unlike Sudoku NYT. No, select the photo, NYT 8th of August. Okay, start playing, auto candidates, et voila. Highlighted notes, okay? But first, let's inspect visually what we have. 1, 7, 8. It should be easier to solve it like this than without the notes highlighted. I see a naked pair, so on this column we cannot have 2 and 3 in any other place. I will take it out. I will eliminate 2 and 3 from here and 3 from here. I don't see anything obvious. 1, 3, 6. Okay, I will highlight the notes. Oh my god, it's so crowded. Number 2. I'm checking to see if I'm recording because this is the 5th time when I'm trying. I can see another, let me see, 1, 5, 8. This is a naked triple. We take out the 5 and 8 from here because they are part of the triple and they can be only in that 3 squares. So we are left with a 4. We have a hidden single here, a number 4. What else? Number 4, I don't see. So number 2, we were there. Number 3. Number 3, you can see me? Yeah. And my bed. Number 3. Okay, number 4. Number 3. In this block we have an L shape, so 3 it's only on this row and this column, and it's pointing on this strong link, and the intersection point is this 3, and I will eliminate that 3. Sorry, I highlighted. Okay, only this 3 can be taken out. Where is 3? Again. And now we are left with locked candidates in here. So all the 3s from this column can be eliminated. What else? Number 4. Nothing. Number 5. 6. We have a hidden 6 over here. Okay, it's clearing pretty good the table. Let's move to number 7, hidden 7. Okay, locked candidates, we take this out. Okie dokie, 158, 17. 7, 8. Okay, this here. This is a skyscraper, and the cells that are intersecting, the cells that are seeing both of the ends, can be eliminated. So I can eliminate this 8 I can eliminate, so this 8 can see this and this, and this can see both of them. Okay, I eliminated that. What else do we have? It's pretty hard. I was expecting not to be that hard. The Sudoku from NYT. Okay. Let's see visual. This is a quadruple, but it doesn't help us. 158, 158. No help. Okay. I will do another thing. In Sudoku Coach, there is an option to highlight the B locals, and I can find like this the hidden pairs. Hidden pairs are pairs hidden between other candidates. Okay, in a block, in a row, or in a column. 3, 9 on the column, nothing in the block, nothing, nothing. 8, 9, no. 3, 6, no. 5, 9, no. 3, 9, no. 3, 6, 2, 3, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. Yes, we have 2 and 8 can be only here and here. Therefore, we can eliminate 5 and 9, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. So we are left with 2 and 8. As you can see, they cannot be elsewhere on this, how do you call this? The row. Okay, I think that's it with the, where is it? Hidden, with the big, with the colors of B locals. Okay, naked single. I think I forgot to eliminate this 3. Or I added it by mistake again. Take a T. And let's go again with the notes from 1 to 9. 1. Nothing. 2. Nothing. 3. Locked. Okay. Empty rectangle, but nothing. I don't see anything. 4. Nothing. 5. Number 5. Okie dokie. A single 5, a hidden 5 on this column. And that's it. With one number you crack everything. Let's see if that's the case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 8, 5, 8. Yeah, I'm just feeling now what's obvious. Single digits. And I think that's the puzzle. And after this, I'm just feeling I will split the screen and fill these results back to NYT Sudoku puzzle. Why do I choose this Sudoku Coach? I told you, because they have the highlighted notes. And for me, it's a pleasant way to solve the Sudokus. If I want without notes, without everything, I have the paper version. So, but I prefer digitally. On paper, if you do mistakes, you have to correct, you break the sheet, depending how careful you are. You're not allowed to do many mistakes, because you destroy the puzzle. In digital, you just reset. Yeah, so it's without explanations, I think it's like 8 minutes. I don't think I would be able to solve it without notes. Okay, 10 minutes, close, and now I will just close this page. F11. Let me split the screen. Okay, here. Okay, resume. And now I leave also the auto candidate mode. You see, there's no highlighting in the notes. And 152. 1, 5, 2, 479, 479, 683, 683. And from here we can start to fill, because they're easy. Okay, we have an 8, we have a... You understand the process. I will, for the sake of this video, I will do it. 2, 4, 5. I will finish the puzzle. Okay, so 168. 168. Even if it will be a bit longer. 5, 8. Here, 3, 2, 7, 4, 1, 6. As you can see, everything falls in place in the right way. If you prefer to solve it without highlighting, do it. But for me, when I discovered this website, Sudoku Coach, this was for me a huge step in solving Sudokus, from medium hard to extremely hard, extreme ones. And I was able to learn chains, but without highlighting, you can spend hours to highlight yourself if you know how to. You know, but Sudoku Coach does it all. Okay, and voila, now it will sync. Yay! 2 minutes! Oh my god, so fast! Thank you guys, have a great weekend, and see you in the next one.